Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how to create rule and how to manage rule within Microsoft Outlook. And if you are unsure how to apply rule, then after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to apply this function efficiently. Let me show you how. So in this example, if I want to apply rule on this email, so what I will do, either I can right click and go to the rules option here, or from the home tab, you can see this rules option within the move section. So I will click this one. And third, the second last one is create rule. Click on this one. Another window will pop up. So the first three things, these are, I would say these are criteria. So when I get email with all of the selected conditions, so I can choose one option or I can choose all of the options. So first one is from Glassdoor job, which is the main email address. So if I receive email from this email address, so what the Outlook should do, the whatever Outlook will do according to the action which is defined here. So subject contains, if I want to apply this rule to any email with this specific subject, I can define here, or send to specific email address, which is mine or any other email address. Then the Outlook should do the following. Display in the new item alert window, play a selected cell. I can choose all of them or I can choose one of them. I will choose last one. This is a move the item to the folder. Click this one and then I will select the folder and I can choose any folder which I want, like this one, test, or I can choose this one, analysis. Press OK and then press OK. It's asking me the rule has been created, and do you want to apply this rule for all the messages which came in the past as well? So I will check this one and press OK. Now it will start applying the rule on all the email which I have been receiving from this specific email address in the past, and it will move it to the analysis folder. So I will wait for a few seconds to rule to apply and then I will show you. So the rule has been applied and all the emails from that specific email address have been moved to the folder called analysis. You can see now all the emails have been transferred from the inbox to this email to this folder. So let's move on to the manage rule section. So if I want to manage the existing rule, so what I'll do, I'll go to the rules and you can see manage rule and alert, last option, click on this one. So it will show me the rules which I have been applied already on the emails. So this one is selected already. So what I can do, I can delete this rule. There's delete option here. I can change the rule, create the new rule. So if I want to change the rule, so I will go to edit rule setting and then I can choose select the condition from people or public group. I can tick or untick this one or select any other option as well. Apply this formula and if I click this one, so any other email address if you want to use, I can change that email address or I can change the folder location. So I will do that. So I don't want to do this. So all I want to do, I want to delete this rule. I click delete, press yes, press apply and press OK. So this rule has been deleted now. Let's check the analysis folder to see. So you can see all the emails have been moved from this folder to inbox. So this is how you can create and manage the rule within Microsoft Outlook. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.